What's good, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetTools.com. Peep out the new construction house we're working on today. Now here's the deal. I got 3 houses to get done today. So we are going to be laying carpet strips. I'm going to shoot a video of that and I'm going to show you how to do it ultra fast. So you can copy my strategies and work just as quick as we do. Check it out. Boom! So there you have it. That's all it takes to throw down a bunch of carpet strips in about a 120-yard new construction house. Go ahead and follow my lead and make that money. Now be sure to subscribe because I'll always deliver tips on how to expand your service-based business and DIY tips in the carpet game. So thank you so much for tuning in and I look forward to catching you on the next video.